Oui.
All right, folks, here to perform and teach Simone their latest choreography is Niggy Boy, Continent, the exclusive dance group, and their here dance crew, Skitter Star, Nico, and Omar Clean Step. See them there?
Is Niggy Boy or Niger Boy Continent?
I asked him and him said Niggy Boy. Them just said Niggy Boy. I the man think.
Pronouncing like in it. I hear people say Naji, some say Niggy.
It's yours. It's which one?
Niggy.
Niggy.
I'm not female. Okay, bye.
I stay true to one queen, but wait, hold on. If Solomon and David had laid this by the dozens, then why can't I be greedy? Tell me why, oh why, oh why? Why me for off one girl when Continental girl I take set want me for themself forever except man I lose cannon me never dead set when me aim for fire me target in excess yes me do them beat down relentless rotation always in full effect that's when one not act right me step left select the next candidate girl if you want me here I am then you can have me sharing is caring so you got to share me. Say you like dark chocolate, ooh, I'm free of cost. Sharing is caring, so you got to share me. Yeah, African girl are my favorite. Something about the way all them gyrated. South American girls have a nice base. When them dance, it coming like a earthquake hit. Antarctican girls, them ice cold, but them warm touch take me to my places. Australian girls, them amaze me, but the European girls drive me crazy. Asian girls, them kinda feisty, but the personality is like a pastry. North American girls captivate me. If me not careful, them get all my life savings. But no, one girl can contain me. When so many in line waiting, although me not have no time sparing, me sure me can spare for you. Girl, if you want me, then you can have me. Sharing is caring, so you got to share me. Say you like dark chocolate, I'm free of cost. Sharing is caring, so you got to share me. Yeah, Continental girl I take set want me for themself forever except man I lose cannon me never dead set when me aim for fire me target in excess yes me do them beat down relentless rotation always in full effect.
All right, here you go. This
Nobody?
is Skitter Star, right?
Yep.
Tell me about the group first before turn around so you can.
All right.
Tell me about the group.
All right, so basically now, like this team that you're looking at right here, everybody's from a different team and we come together and we create something. You know what I mean? And now, like, it's the best thing with these guys. Aww. Because these guys like give me the energy, the vibes, and they're like always ready and on time.
Why did you come together to?
All right, so basically it's a natural vibes. So we decided to do this when we said most of us don't have our official team anymore. So we're like singles. So that's how we just say we're gonna form this because we don't have like an official team anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So how is the dancing working out for you? Is it through the gigs? Is it through working with artists? Have you been getting opportunities? How does it work?
All right, so basically we do work with artists. Mm-hmm. Like artists will reach out to us and saying, yo, if you can come and like do something on our song, in a music video or something. And yes, it do like carry us places.
Excellent. Okay.
What you going to teach Simone this morning? Now?
Us.
Tap, tap, ta, Continent.
All right,
You ready?
Continent?
Come here,
No, sir. We're traveling.
Yeah, right now.
Which continent are we going to?
All right, so maybe where you want to go? I don't know.
I don't know. We can go to any of us. Let's go to Australia.
I've never been to Africa.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
So let's go to Africa right now.
Let's go to Africa.
All right, so it starts from the right foot, guys, okay?
Yeah.
So basically it's 3 step. First, 1 and 2 and 3.
Hold on now. Go on again now.
It's 3 steps.
Yeah.
So you step it 1 and 2. So it's like bouncing.
So you go so 1 and 2 and 3.
then the 3 come with this.
So me have it already.
You think you have it?
Yes, it.
Come here. Look at Neville. Tell me again. Him say have it. So we'll go again.
Yeah.
So we go.
1
and 2 and 3.
Let me have it.
Have it. Let's say Simone have it.
No, we have to. Let me see if Neville have it first. We don't do it yet. Neville, come.
Have it already.
Come again.
All right, Neville. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3. Oh!
Big dancer.
No, I didn't see. Do it again.
No, don't play me. Your
I
time.
didn't do it. No,
I said your time. Your
Come, let me
time.
see.
No,
No,
your
let me see now.
time. Your time.
You
We're doing
come
it
back.
together.
You teach me. You teach me.
Yeah.
You go on and go
It's
back
go
again.
so. 1 and 2 and.
Whoa!
Gentlemen, it's first move was more like a 1.5.
No, but them say me good.
One and
No, you
two.
see how like for the big dancer, them say me good and you
They're just
fighting
trying
it
to be
out.
good to you, guy.
You do it.
Your 1 and 2 wasn't solid.
You did it, no?
It's 1 and 2 and 3. You're more like a itch.
It's so like funny. I am willing to say you were brilliant, but you're not willing to say
You were-
1 and 2.
Yeah.
No, what is this? Is it now exactly?
You see, me all teach them a move.
Come again, guys. Let me see the
All
music. Let me
right.
see how it
So
goes.
basically, it's like 1 and 2 and 3.
Oh, is that
One,
that
two,
tap pam
and
pam?
Yes.
That tap pam pam.
Ta 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 pam pam. Pam 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 pam. Again. Ta ta ta. Next move.
More. Go on again.
Yeah. So we're just gonna do the 2 move them and see if you guys could put them together.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
So what's the
Testing
next
it
one?
today?
What's
Yes.
the next
So the
one?
next move is a spin. So you do the half turn. Half turn. Yes.
No, I don't
Never?
turn. She turn. I don't turn.
Come on,
So,
Jeff. Let's
1
turn.
and 2. It's very easy and simple because guess what? When you make the step with the right is what you go like you look from there.
Pivot.
And you look from
It's a
there.
netball pivot.
Hold on, go on
You know,
again.
says like you look from there and you look from there. Nice. All
Well,
right.
I mean, point pan and say nice. The only way you know that. In point right past you and say nice.
You get what I
I know you in point.
so what do you think? Ready, guys? Yeah. All right, so ready?
We're
Again,
starting.
so we want to start it from the front and then we're going to add on that little piece right
Yeah.
there.
Got it.
All right, guys?
Read
5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3. Everybody make the spin. And spin. Whoa!
Rate to the
I know we are the dancing. I know we are the dancing.
Rate to the
Bring on
rate.
another one.
All right, so we are putting on the next move.
Yeah.
All right.
So basically,
I can't remember the first one.
all right. So after the spin, now when we go 1 and 2, this is the little cranky leg part where you go zap, zap, zap.
Well,
You
I
know,
know.
it's like a in, out,
Hold on,
in.
so me go out first. So is that?
What are you doing out first?
So?
So you go in, out, in. Yes.
In.
You know what I mean? So with the look of speed on it now, make it look. Sa, sa, sa.
Oh, it's a quick train.
Yes.
Pop, pop.
Yes. You know?
Yeah.
Sa, sa, sa.
It looks like we need to shake it out.
Za, za, za. Hey, Go on, living up. Hey.
All right, everything together.
Ready now? Everything. Let's see what testing it. We are testing it now.
Everything together.
All right. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, pam, pam. Make the turn. 1. And the legs, no, za, za, za. Hey! Yeah, man. Them bad. I said them bad.
We don't bad. We don't bad. We don't
Can't
bad.
bother with them. We better know.
We don't bad now.
Yeah,
We
man.
don't bad.
Thanks,
Yeah,
guys.
man.
We
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, man.
don't
Thank you
bad.
very much,
People
man.
can see on the dance.
All right, so basically Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, our same name, Skita Star, Omar Clean Step,
Exclusive
and
dance
Nico,
crew. Okay.
All Star.
Thanks
Yes.
a lot for coming, man. Bless
Thank you very much as well.
All right, we go run again. Ready? Take us
Ready?
to break.
All right. So we are any talk like this, you know, everything again.
Hey.
Yeah, man.
And 5, and 6, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, back, back, and make the turn. And the legs now go. Zap, zap, zap. Hey. Yeah, man.